GT3RS for over a month now and have not modded it at all. One of the biggest things that I've said from the start is this thing just needs more volume. Now, more volume with this car is something that I wanted to be pretty careful about, and I wanted to make sure I got the exact exhaust that's best suited my needs, and there are a lot of options out there for this car. I did some research. I asked a few of my GT3RS owners, and one company that makes an exhaust for this car, makes a bunch of stuff for this car, I kept hearing over and over again, and that is Dundon Motorsports. So we have a few parts on order from Dundon, and the first thing that showed up was our header system. We have more pieces coming, so we'll install those pieces as we go, but I thought this would be a great start point because this will give us a great baseline on the volume that we'll get out of this and also power. Now, Dundon claims that you'll get about a 32 wheel horsepower gain just from these headers. We're also gonna shave some weight from our previous system, and obviously the car is gonna sound a hell of a lot better. Kyle and I have never even worked on this car before, so it might take us just a little bit to take this stuff apart, but Dundon actually has videos on their YouTube channel on how to remove the rear bumper and how to remove everything, so this should go pretty smoothly. Dundon Motorsport is also giving you guys the opportunity to get 10% off of all of their products. Now, Dundon specializes in Porsche products, so if you have a Porsche and you're looking for anything for your car that literally is at the top of the game when it comes to parts for this car, definitely hit them up. There's a landing page for the website linked down below, and you get that 10% discount code. You have to click the link and fill out the form because Dundon calls you before you buy your parts because they help make sure that you're getting exactly what you want out of your parts, which is a really cool feature that I've never seen before. So click the link down below for all the Porsche owners that are interested in getting anything for your car, whether it comes to aero, whether it comes to exhaust, or whatever. Click the link down below, fill it out, and they will help you figure out what is the best part that they have for your car. All right, now let's get into this. Calvin and I both went into this kind of with the impression that it was gonna be a complete and utter, for lack of better words, bitch to work on. But this surprisingly has been so straightforward. I think because it's rear engine, like we're able to access this, but getting to the headers was extremely easy.
The nicest part is that it seems like Porsche knows you don't need that much hardware. The Ferrari had like bags on bags on bags of hardware. Here, it's like 1, 2, 3 comes out. The taillights, 2 at the top.
Just the taillights only came in with 2 bolts, which, I don't know, just working with all the other exotics, it's just such a nightmare, but this was so easy. There's only been like a 30-second montage until getting to this point, and that's because it literally went by that fast. Like, getting rid of this stuff was super easy. So, just took off the V-band, just took off the vacuum for the valves, and part 1 of the header is right here. So we had a big cat, we have the headers, and they're super accessible. So Calvin's working on them right now, but they're all super easy to get to, which normally when you're working on headers in any type of car, it's always a nightmare. With this, it's been a breeze. Today's video is sponsored by Helix Sleep, and getting good sleep is really important, which is why I switched to a Helix mattress, and you should too. I've had this mattress now for about a month and a half, almost 2 months, and it is literally the nicest mattress I've ever owned, mainly because I was able to take a personal quiz online that allowed me to pick out the exact mattress that would best suit me. Helix knows that everyone is different, which is why they tailor beds based on your personal needs. Whatever the case may be, they have a quiz that is tailored to figuring out which is best for you. you. I personally am a back sleeper and I like a medium mattress, which is why I have the Midnight mattress from Helix. My favorite thing about this mattress is the fact that I was able to order it all online and have it shipped to my door in a vacuum sealed bag. So it was really easy to get it in here, and I love that I didn't have to go anywhere to get it. And they ship it to you for free. They also allow you to try the mattress for 100 nights of sleep before you decide if you like it. And if you end up not liking it, they'll even pick it up for you and you'll get a full refund. This is your time to try out a Helix mattress. Go to helixsleep.com/TJ Hunt to receive up to $200 off of your mattress plus 2 free pillows. This is the time for you to be selfish and treat yourself to something nice. Thank you so much for Helix for sponsoring this video, and now let's get back to it. So we're still keeping the factory muffler on this car as of right now, so we'll be able to get a full test of just what the headers sound like. And honestly, the headers is the main component of this exhaust system. Because this is a rear engine car, everything is all pretty short and goes straight to the back. So I'm curious to see how much volume we're gonna get. I have heard that this is a pretty loud system, or there also is a version of the headers that does not retain any cats at all, but our headers do still retain a cat. And the reason why, oh sorry, over here, the reason why I chose this is because when I was talking to the guys at Dundon, shout out to Jamie, and as I told you guys, if you guys are gonna get parts from them, click that link down below, and before you order any parts, you have to speak to someone. That's like how they run all of their parts and stuff, which is really awesome. And we had a conversation, he's like, well, how loud do you want it? And I'm like, hey, I want it blistering loud, but I also wanna be able to have a phone call in the car if I have to. If I'm driving with Sabrina on a 5-hour road trip, I don't want our ears to be bleeding, droning on the freeway. And he was like, okay, if you do not want your ears to bleed at all times, do not get the non-catted version. So we opted for the catted version. LZ actually has this header system and went for the non-catted version. Adam himself was like, it is like godly loud and it does drone. So if you don't want that, get the catted version. So I got that, so we're installing this. And then once that gets bolted up, we'll be able to throw the header in and then throw in the J pipe and we should be able to get our first start. One awesome thing about this header setup is that all of these pipes all have a little bit of mobility too. Getting them on the car is extremely easy compared to some other header jobs that we've done. Can be quite difficult if there's no play. The system comes with new gaskets and all new hardware where you need it, which is pretty awesome. Always love when all that stuff's provided. So with the header mounted, we're gonna be putting in what is called the J pipe, and then we'll connect our O2 sensors. There's one adapter bracket for the J pipe, which is like has a ton of adjustability, so it's super easy. We haven't fully tightened all of them down yet. We're gonna tighten everything down at the end. Like you can see on this side, still a little bit loose, not tightened down. But once the system's connected, we're gonna go ahead and adjust the V-mounts, get them all tight, and then tighten everything together so we have no exhaust leaks or any issues. All right, so the headers are just about buttoned up, and you can see there is a lot less material on the car, which is gonna result in a lot less weight on the car. We had a huge like silencing muffling system right here on the car, which is now completely gone, and you can see the routing here. Very, very cool. We're super excited. Calvin's is making sure everything's tight. We have the V-bands down, we have the new vacuum lines in. We should be ready to rock. If there's one thing that I've learned about Porsche in today's install, it is that they only put things that are necessary. It is so great to work on an exotic and have it be like proper. And it feels like a race car in the sense that it's just designed way more intelligently when it comes to having to service it. And Calvin also, it's the smallest PP I've ever seen. So that's also something that was really interesting to note today.
Why would you say that?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the video. So before I go ahead and start this, I'm gonna go ahead and play a few clips of the car completely stock. This is Dundon street headers with a stock muffler exhaust sound clip. All right, here we go.
Whoa, that's good. Hey!
car's warmed up, you have the valves open. When you put it in park, it doesn't let you rev past 4,000, so we're gonna try putting it in neutral and see if it allows you to go any farther. Nope, it doesn't let you. What if you put it in sport mode? Just trying to guess. Try it again. Damn, it's a lot louder. Okay, we're just gonna take this to the streets and see how it sounds. First initial in-car impression with valves open.
I've never been terrified in my life.
Wait, what?
That was terrifying.
Really?
That was absolute. There was some air pressure going on in here, and it was moving my vestibular tubes. Ah, man, I was terrified.
So one thing that I noticed a really big difference is how much crispier the shifts are now.
Yeah, it felt like it.
Oh man, it sounds really good. Can you just imagine what it's gonna sound like when we have the muffler delete on?
Oh man.
Yeah, I mean it sounds a lot different.
Oh.
It's like throatier, but then up top it's higher pitched and it's like crispier. Calvin's gonna hop out, is gonna get a few flybys, and we'll see what it sounds exterior wise. Sport mode, close the valves. Holy moly. So yeah, it sounds amazing. This thing on the freeway with the headers, you get just a really deep sound that you never really got before. And it sounds kind of crazy, but there's this like on throttle, off throttle thud that you get out of the system that's really difficult to explain. But if there are any 991 GT3 or GT3RS owners who have a header system like this on your car, you'll know what I'm talking about. But it really just kind of fills the gap that the car really misses from the factory. You don't really get too much volume or too much characteristic of the motor of the car, but with this header system, you definitely do. One thing that I'm noticing too is on the freeway, it's definitely louder than stock, but it's very tolerable. I wouldn't say it drones, I would say it's louder than stock. I mean, you're throwing on a header, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit noisier, but I did have a phone call with Sabrina just before this clip was filmed on Bluetooth, and she was able to hear me just fine. Some people, that might not even be a worry or any concern, but for me, I like to kind of make sure I'm able to use all the features the car came with, and I feel like there are people out there that feel the same way. So this system definitely checks off that necessity for me. I feel that I owe you guys a few more full rips here, so here we go. Yeah, the biggest thing to note is how much you get out of the car when you're in that like 8,000 to 8,500 RPM range. It completely changes the note of the car. I think it's only gonna get louder than this. Wow. Yeah, wow. Just wow. Beautiful. Sounds beautiful.
Okay, you guys, if you didn't watch the video like, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 3 days ago, I was laughing because I got something for TJ's car and I was like, this is gonna be so funny. TJ really did guess it. He was like, oh, you bought the little wing from the Corolla. And I was like, no, I didn't. But I did, and they came in and I bought like 10 of them. So I'm gonna put them on all the cars, but, oh, I hear him. There's wings on all of them, so what do I put it on? I gotta put it on the Supra. I've strategically unwrapped 3 more of them because there's 4 cars in the garage, and I'm going to put them on the rest of the cars. Okay. He saw you. Big T. Big T. Oh, yes, hello. That definitely was not my best move having my mom do it because she's just the worst, and I'm pretty sure TJ saw, but could have been a mission failed. I still have more of them, so we'll get someone else next.
Sabrina thinks that she's really sneaky and that she can sneak stuff like this by me. Sabrina, you can't. And I literally called that this was the surprise item. That's how well I know her. I can foresee all the type of pranks that she'll ever want to try on me. These stupid mini wings on every single one of the cars. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw one on her car because she's so not sly. I found like the stash. She bought like 50 of them. So we're gonna go take one and put it on her car. Not a very good hiding spot, Sabrina. Look, how many did you buy, dude? She bought like 20 of them. Welcome to the club, Sabrina. Once again, I want to give a big shout out to Dundon Motorsports. The car sounds great, but in my opinion, it ain't loud enough. So we're gonna take it one step above and make it just a little bit better. That video is coming soon, but I wanna give you guys a little bit of a heads up. Today is Wednesday. The next scheduled video is normally on Friday, which is in a day and a half from now, but we are going to Grid Life, Colorado, which I've told you guys in the last video. I'm traveling all day tomorrow, and then I'm gonna be driving Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you guys are in Colorado Springs, definitely come to Grid Life, come find me, come say what's up. But I'm not gonna be able to get a video up for this Friday, so you're not gonna see a video from me, but don't panic, don't worry, because I'm gonna upload every single day while I'm at Grid Life. So Friday, Saturday, or actually it will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You're gonna get videos back to back to back of every day, all the shenanigans. It's gonna be a really good time. I'm also having a filmer and editor come out with me, so it makes the process a little bit more special. You guys are gonna get way higher quality videos for the next 3 days. I cannot wait. I'll see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys this weekend in Colorado. Peace out and keep moving forward.